What is up, it's Gamer27 here, and we have 3 evolution booster packs here, and let's open them. Here's the code. Metapod, Devolution Spray, Energy, Caterpie, Rattata, Charmander, Ghastly, Growlithe, and Hollow Energy, and a Dragonite EX Full Art. Oh my god, that's so cool. That's my first one of those. Here's your code. Charmander, Super Potion, Slowbro Spirit Link, Magikarp, Energy, Vulpix, Nidoran, Ponyta, Hollow Energy, and a Starmie. Last pack of today's video. Oh my god! Oh my god, I just got a secret rare. Wow.
What is it?
I just got a secret rare trainer. Here comes Team Rocket. Wow. Revive. No. Yeah, Revive. Coughing. Machop. Tangela. Vulpix. Energy. Voltorb. Sandshrew. And a Dugtrio. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, and hit that subscribe button, and see you next time.